Welcome to this special curation by ERED LUIN. At ERED LUIN, we believe in curating not just artworks, but soulful journeys, bringing together artists whose creations embody depth, authenticity, and resonance. Our mission is to share art that connects creators with audiences in meaningful ways. In this short study, we delve into the mathematical elegance of the artwork titled A Bird, a composition where form, symmetry, and intention converge. Meet Dr. Rajkumar Agriya, an artist rising from the fold of ERED LUIN's emerging creators. Drawn to the radiant dance of colour since childhood, his journey is one of soulful exploration. Colour became his compass, mixed mediums his language, his style, intuitive, intentional, and deeply emotive. Titled simply A Bird, this piece is a heartfelt gift. The bird symbolises freedom, peace, and happiness. Framed in bark, grounded in nature, it blends realism with warmth, celebrating the harmony between life and material. Look closer at the dance of golden ratios that spiral through the bird's posture, revealing a hidden harmony between composition and mathematical beauty. This is geometry as poetry. Lines, curves and dots. 5 dominant vectors, 6 organic arcs, and over a dozen visual anchors. The circular wood slice echoes the spiral's geometry, forming a lattice of intention, where Euclidean form meets natural asymmetry. Approximately 60 to 65% of the canvas is left as plain wood. This emptiness is not absence, it's emphasis, a visual pause that amplifies presence. Minimalism here becomes a form of reverence. The palette is a study in harmony, yellow-orange, green and blue-grey, woven in analogous and triadic schemes. Though the bird and foliage occupy less than half the space, they hold over 43% of the perceptual impact. Colour becomes emotion. Space becomes silence. The chickadee, with a brain-to-body ratio of 2.4%, is a quiet strategist. Its memory and problem-solving skills far exceed its size. In this artwork, it becomes a symbol of adaptability, resilience, and nature's brilliance in the smallest forms. A note from the helm. To help guide collectors and art lovers alike, every artwork curated by ERED LUIN is also evaluated on our ERED LUIN's Art Score, a framework highlighting the essence of each piece. ERED LUIN's Art Score for A Bird will be published on our website. In conclusion, this artwork titled A Bird, a short study in form, feeling, and the quiet brilliance of nature. To request a personalised art curation, collaborate on meaningful art projects, or explore more of our collections, we invite you to visit our website www.eredluin.com. Together, let's continue unfolding stories through art.